Welcome to the SafeCase Setup Guide for iPhone 7 and 8. To start the setup process, download the Privoro app from the Apple App Store. The in-app setup will ask you to select permissions needed for location services, push notifications, and microphone and camera access. Camera access is needed to pair the app with the SafeCase. When camera access is granted, a QR code scanner will appear in the app. Scan the QR code on the back of your SafeCase. A blue check mark is your indication that pairing is complete. You may now exit the app and continue SafeCase setup. Before inserting your iPhone, remove screen protectors and protective cases. Also ensure the lock panel is not attached to the SafeCase. Next, place your finger on the inside center of the base tray and slide the tray open. Place the iPhone head first into the tray and rest the phone into the case. Close the base tray. Attach the lock panel by placing the bottom of the panel into the hook cradles on the back of the SafeCase. Then, press the lock panel until the latch snaps into place. For first-time use, connect the SafeCase to a power source. This will take the case out of shipping mode and turn it on. The indicator LEDs will blink 5 times. Your SafeCase is now ready for use. With the hood down, SafeCase's patented proprietary technology drowns each microphone in randomized sound transmissions, safeguarding both the content and context of conversations from being captured by third parties. To place or receive a call, simply raise the hood. From the top, place your thumb and forefinger on the silver trim and gently pull upward. The hood also acts as a physical barrier covering each of the smartphone's cameras, preventing intruders from observing or recording any visual data in the device's vicinity. Raise the hood to take a picture or record video. Even with protections engaged, you will have full use of iPhone features like email, texting, internet browsing, and apps. For more information on using the SafeCase, please visit privoro.com/support.